dinner tonight, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the salmon, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the cod roe.
Cod roll, yeah.
My first Japanese meal in Japan. Hey, what's up guys? David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere. I just landed in Tokyo, Japan. It's my first time in Japan. I'm so excited. And today I'm going to show you how to get from Narita Airport to Tokyo. It's actually a little far out. It's like 90 minutes outside the city. And yeah, the most affordable and fastest way to get there is by taking the Narita Express. It's a train and it costs like 27 US dollars. I'm going to show you how to do it, but let me just get my bag really fast. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly turn the camera off, walk out of here, and then I'm gonna explain to you how to catch the train. Dude.
Welcome to Japan.
You're so amazing. How you doing?
Fine. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Okay, so once you exit the customs area, you come out to arrivals, and then here you see the sign for trains. You follow that all the way down, and we're gonna continue until we get to the Narita Express.
That's right.
So you're part of the airport staff?
Yeah, that's right. Like a part-time basis.
Okay. So Tony's showing me around. Once you see the sign of trains, you go down the escalator, and then on the right you'll see trains again. You come in here, and then on the right of that you're gonna see Narita Express. You can either go to one of these machines, but I think it's a little complicated because you have to go to English and then try to do it that way. I suggest you do it here at the ticket office, talk to somebody, tell them exactly where you're going because there's multiple stops. And for me, I'm going to the Shinjuku area, so that's my stop. And yeah, I think it's like $26, $27. I'm gonna find out right now. Fastest way, 60 to 90 minutes to get there. And before we get on the train, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go buy some onigiri, which are basically like sushi, but without vinegar. And you can either buy at 7-Eleven or at a Family Mart, so convenience stores. Convenience stores are really, really big here in Tokyo. I'm actually gonna do a video about that. So right now I'm gonna go to the Family Mart, buy some onigiri, and eat that on the train. That's gonna be like my first Japanese food in Japan experience. I'm excited, I'm hungry, I can't wait.
2 railway stations, one for the Japan Rail, JR, and the other one private rail station called Keisei Line.
My friend here, Tony's telling me, is that the Family Mart has a very small selection of onigiri. So we're going to the 7-Eleven, which is right here. You just have to walk back out here, next to the escalator, make a left, and it's down right there. This is really nice, man. I love this place already. So we have the onigiri.
This whole area is onigiri.
This whole area?
Yeah.
Oh my
Salmon.
God.
This is a cod roll.
Cod roll?
With a hot cod roll. And this is a seaweed.
Okay.
I mean kelp inside, huh?
Yeah.
It's all covered with seaweed, but this is kelp inside for the tasting.
Perfect.
And this is also salmon roll. Dinner tonight, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the salmon, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the cod roe.
Cod roll, yeah.
And then what else is
And
there?
also, this is what you call sushi, roll sushi.
Roll
Only
sushi.
this particular period of the year.
So I'm getting the salmon, the spicy cod roe, and this rolled sushi. Maybe let's try another one. No, I'm good. You know, maybe we're good here.
If you expected to eat dinner,
Yeah, then wait.
I would suggest that this
that's
is more
good?
than enough.
Okay.
In other words, you wouldn't have an appetite in the nighttime. Asahi or Suntory. This is very popular beer.
Asahi?
Asahi.
Okay, I'll get one.
So
Yeah.
one is enough.
So yeah, a small one's enough. Yeah.
250. This is 250. 220.
220.
220.
Wow.
I don't know where it's
You're gonna pay with card, right? One thing I always recommend is when you travel to a new nation, go to the ATM right when you get there and pull out money. That is the best exchange rate. They basically exchange it to like the 1,000,000 to 1 exchange rate. If you try to pull out in your country, they'll always rip you off a little bit. And if you go to any or currency exchange places, they'll always try to take a cut. They charge you an extra $5 or whatever. Best thing to do is pull out right here. And I usually pull out like the first week's worth of money. So I pulled out 30,000 yen, which is like, I don't know, 300 bucks, something like that, a little more than that. But yeah, man, I gotta catch the train, let's go. So I'm on card 9, 7 through 12, this way. I gotta thank the people who hired me because they sent Tony, who works here at the airport, to help me out, and that was a huge lifesaver. So what is it, 60 to 90 minutes to get there? I'm excited, I can't wait to eat. Over here, on this one.
After leaving Tokyo Station, cars 7 through 12 will go to the Omiya terminal with a stop at Shibuya, Shinjuku.
Alright, so here we are on the Narita Express. It's going to take around 60 to 70 minutes. I tried to put my luggage there and lock it, but it was a little complicated. I just left it there, wrapped it around, the coil around it, and I was like, whatever. But so what we're going to do now is I'm going to try Asahi beer. I'm going to try 2 onigiris. This one is salmon, spicy cod roe, egg, conger, cucumber, pickled, lotus root, mushrooms. Complicated. Oh wow. All rice. I guess you just do it. Yeah, it tastes like a spicy tuna roll, but there's so much rice as you can see, and you have the seaweed. Oh, it's delicious. So it's spicy cod roe, and the difference between this and sushi is that this rice has no vinegar. Very sticky rice. I love the spicy roe. The seaweed gives like a nice crunch and it keeps it all together. But it's very, very like dense rice. Wow. And this one, my friend suggested I try it. It comes like all the rice and then you have the seaweed there. Right at that. See? So wrap it up. Like a big hand roll. So rich. Pink fish gloss. A little spice in there. Again, sticky rice. And this cost me $1. A little sweet too. This is like next level sushi. The next one is the onigiri salmon. Open it up like that. I like how it comes like in this like triangle shape. Oh man, I'm like ripping the seaweed. And here we go, salmon. It's more like smoked salmon mixed with like a lot of sticky rice. This is some of the best like sushi Japanese food I've ever had. From 7-Eleven. Wow. So now you know when you come, when you take the Narita Express, stop at 7-Eleven, get yourself an onigiri. You won't regret it. Beer. Oh. That's one thing that Tony explained to me, that here in Japan, you're allowed to have an open container on the train. Thank God. But the Japanese beer is really nice. It's dry. It's not like too strong. Not like that. It's perfect for what I need right now. Just trying to transition to my hotel, relax for a bit, and then for dinner. So I want to tell you a little bit about the Narita Express, just so you guys know why this is the train to take when you come to Narita Airport. You have to get to Tokyo, okay? So it takes around 60 to 90 minutes depending on where you're going. I'm going to the Shinjuku area, and that's a little farther, like deeper into Tokyo. So it costs $27 US for a one-way, and you can get a round trip for $36 US. But that round trip is only available for 14 days. So the day you get it, you have 14 days to come back. So if you're going to be in Tokyo for 20 plus days or whatever, or Japan in general, then you won't be able to use this obviously. But if you're going to go and have to come back to the airport before 14 days, then definitely do that. You can also get the Japan Rail Pass, which everybody uses to travel around the country. There's a 7-day, 14-day, and 21-day pass. But if you get it and you use the Narita Express, that's when it starts. So if you're not going to travel for a few days after that, there's no point. You'd rather pay for the ticket and then use the pass later. There's also free Wi-Fi on board, so if you want to use the internet and you don't have a service plan, you can use it on board, which is great. Yeah, I mean, very comfortable ride, really quick, Wi-Fi, easy. Eat some food, drink a beer. I mean, you can look outside, but there's nothing right now. It's a little late. It's almost 6 p.m. and the sun's gone. I'm here in winter. It's not too cold right now. It's like 45 Fahrenheit, which is not that bad in comparison to what I saw. I saw it was going to be like the 30s every day, which is going to be brutal. But this is going to be better because I don't have to really wear gloves too often. Okay, so our first stop is Tokyo Station, and I'm not stopping here because this train continues to Shinjuku, where I'm going. And it says it here that I get off at 6:46 and it's 6:20, so I still have around like half an hour to go. And yeah, I mean, everybody's getting off, but There's a few people still on the train, but you definitely have to make sure they get on the right train, and sometimes you might have to connect here. Not all Narita Express trains go to the station you want to go to. I mean, I'm lucky that mine is like a very famous spot and it goes there. But obviously it doesn't visit all the stations in Tokyo, it just visits like the 5 or 6 main ones. Okay, we made it to Shinjuku station. It's freaking freezing right now. I gotta have this hat on and this jacket. Thought it was gonna be a lot colder than it is, but it's fine. Now what we gotta do is gotta exit the station and catch an Uber. My hotel is closed, but it's not walking distance with all this luggage. Well, the hard part is figuring out how to exit and catch an Uber here. Oh my god. This place is intense. Lots of people. Biggest city in the world in terms of population. Okay, so I gotta say my first impression here is that this place is extremely organized, extremely clean, smells fantastic, and everybody's walking the same direction. So where am I going to catch an Uber? Shinjuku Station. Great. Hyatt Regency, Tokyo. Here I come. It seems the hotel is only like a 8-minute walk, so I decided I'm just gonna walk it and explore a little bit as I walk there. Man, there's a lot of people here. Like a lot of people. It's like lost in translation again. So this area I'm walking through is like lit up. Literally, there's just advertisement everywhere. It feels like it's daytime right now because of how much lights there are. I mean, this is insane. I've never been anywhere like this. I've never been to a place where it's like pitch dark and then it's like bright as It's crazy. And yeah, my hotel is right through here somewhere. I'm actually happy that I walked because I wouldn't have seen any of this if I would have taken an Uber. So much food everywhere. Food. People. Well, after passing that entire area, it's all lit up. I enter like the skyscraper district. It's like beautiful 50-story buildings. They're super tall. I'd say at least 500 to 1,000 feet. Some of these buildings must be up there in like 700, 800 feet. Wow, so many. And I'm guessing my hotel is like right over there. So I cross this. There we go. It's pretty difficult going around with this huge luggage. Like, look at this luggage right here. The Torinox luggage is ginormous, but it fits everything I needed. And because it's winter, I brought 2 big jackets, plus sweaters, plus everything. So yeah, I mean, I had to bring it, but it's always a pain. I love how my friends all travel with like backpacks and stuff, and I'm like the one traveling with this super luxurious luggage. But it's cool. Wow, I am in Tokyo. I'm in Tokyo. Wow. I've been dreaming about coming here my whole life. It's like for real. Crazy that I never put it to the top. I wanted to do a lot of different stuff before coming to like huge major cities. But I'm so happy I came. Finally, I'm 33 years old and I'm finally in Tokyo. And the hotel's right there. And here we are. Hyatt Regency is right here. I think the lobby's up all these steps. Alright, so we made it to the Hyatt Regency, Tokyo. I highly recommend taking an Uber from the station. Hey, how you doing? I walked. It's a 12-minute walk. No, it's far. And here we go, guys. This room is huge. Got a king-size bed. Got a little work area right here. TV. These blinds, you open them with a remote. And then what else we got here? Let me see this bathroom. I can't wait to see the bathroom. What? Put the lights on. Oh my god, turn on all the lights. I'm loving this bathroom. This bathroom is beautiful, got some water. I mean, everything's so pretty and so clean. It's just like, this is what Japan's all about, cleanliness. And yeah, this room is ridiculous. I have to give a huge thanks to my friends at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo for hosting me for the next 2 nights. I'm super excited. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna be filming the breakfast. It's super amazing Japanese buffet breakfast. It's like traditional breakfast. And I hope you like the experience on the Narita Express. When you land in Tokyo, you have to go straight to the Narita Express. And before you get into the Narita Express, get some money from the ATM and then go to the 7-Eleven, buy some onigiris, some sushi, buy a beer, take the Narita Express all the way to Tokyo, drink, eat, chill for an hour, hour and a half, depending on your station. For me, it was like a 90-minute train ride. And yeah, guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to show you what Japan's all about over the next 12 days. I'll see you in the next food travel adventure. Peace.